for you and me.
Put me in the picture.
KTV. Things to do, things to see.
I get the picture.
You're in the picture.
Who's gonna keep in touch for me?
Who's got the story?
Who's got the picture?
Who's got the answers?
Time to get you.
KTV. 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 For kids.
Hi everyone, welcome to KTV. Today on the show we're going to find out how cheese is made with Sue. Danny finds out what makes a house into a beautiful home, and a little bit later on Lissel's going to show us how a clock works. Well, have you ever wondered how someone might go about illustrating a book? In particular, a book about animals. Well, Lisa met an artist and her model, a model who would much rather spend his time playing in the bush than sitting for a portrait.
Anybody seen Puddles?
No.
Better look for her.
Well, time sure does fly, and that's all we have on KTV today. Thanks very much for joining me. We'll have a lot more great stories next time you watch.
Time for fun for you and me.
Put me in the picture.
KTV. Things to do, things to see.
I get the picture.
You're in the picture.
Who's gonna keep in touch for me?
Who's got the story?
Who's got the picture?
Who's got the answers?
Time to get you.
KTV.